completion of lesson. Last points are remaining. If it is over, I will satisfy each and every point which are related with them per hour. Whenever I come in your class, I try to teach them. That's why within a short duration, within a short incubation period, I want to cover somewhat points which are already completed. From that point of angle, each and every student be inside myself. Which are there? When you start that lesson, first of all, we understood what is the right meaning given by living world and classification of microbes. We are deeply learned. After one, we reaches to binomial classification. After one, we say that what is the right statement given for biological classification in the form of groups as well as subgroups. If it is over, that time we run down number of scientists which can play a role for classification of microbes. One by one I say names of them. Carl Linnaeus, Huckel, Catter, Copeland, and lastly to full stop from that point of view. Actually it is unstoppable goal. Always classification move further. But lastly done by R.H. Whitaker, Robert Harding Whitaker, which is American ecologist, 1920 to 1918. He proposed a very well diagrammatic representation for classification of microbes. If it is words are there, name possess classification. That's why classification we continue in the form of we say Protista, Monera, Fungi, Algae, and bacteria. Tools are in any situation. I want to cover that both. That's why we shall teach now protozoa. Protista is word, protozoa is once again I say, which after R.H. Whitaker, Protista, Monera, Fungi, bacteria, and algae. These are the small points. Again classification, once again follows several things here. That's why separated by using not proper name. R.H. Whitaker saying after one classification restart again and again. Today we can discuss, close your hands each and every student. Last student, close your hands, see towards me. Your all concentration only towards me. See student, which I cover on today. That is known as recap. Those points which are already completed within a short duration. I want to cover all. Which now here. See student, I written one word, protozoa. Sir, what do you mean by protozoa? Same pronunciation allowed at the time of beginning. Protista. I also confirm. Protista is different. Protozoa is different. Because of same protozoa, which peculiarity, which characteristics, which significant, which important can be allowed under P-R-O-T-O-Z-O-A, protozoa. If you observe them, that time he says that, first of all, then first characteristics, every student observe me, listen me. First of all, they are single cell and uninuclear. First characteristics under protozoa. As like to Monera, Protista is given simplified nature to first of all observe. Experimental study, we understood that are certain types. Appearance in laboratory or glass lab. Here not given, here says that direct idea. Not that. He is also given range 0 to 200 micrometer. He is also performed their own body shape and size, length, how much diameter I can be occupied. How you say come me towards protozoa. Protozoa attain size 0 to 200. They are single cell. First characteristics. Hey, listen, every student observe me. First characteristics. They are single celled and eukaryotes. Sir, each and every cell which are come down near to that stage, everyone's are single cell. Here is also follow. Is there any change? No change. Protozoa is also one type of microorganism. That's why each and every characteristic which are appear, observed, and they are also here clarified again, once again. That's why all protozoa animals are single cell. Is that clear? After one they said they are eukaryotics. Single cell all function within a cell. It is not necessary to do each and every organ be fixed at proper position. That time multi. Here is a heart, here is a kidney, here is a digestive system, here is a locomotory action. Here not doing all function within a single cell. That's why every organism belongs from classification of microbes or common thinking, all doing all function within one cell. Whether locomotion, whether digestion, whether reproduction, anyone control myself within a one. If it is one, that time he go ahead and says that it is a eukaryotics, means presence of nucleus inside cell wall. That's why once again I say, those members, just like I said, amoeba, paramecium, euglena, plasmodium. These are the new names which can be under protozoa, chlamydomonas. That's why first characteristics we observe, which is this: they are single celled and eukaryotics. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Second characteristic, they are live in soil, they are fresh water and also sea water. In short, they can be given idea at which position I spend my life, what is my habitat. I want to live from born to death. That time I occur within a soil, inside soil, buried soil, underground of soil. I am one type of burrowing animal, like earthworm. Because lot of microorganisms inside, then I inject this. That's why habitat of that animal. They are soil living animals. After one, they can be occur fresh water. See student, where am I come? If you observe Monera, that time you selected milk and water. If you observe Protista, that time you are selected dirty water. But here that animal found in fresh water, sea water, in seaside region, near side of rocks, they attach himself where water become a clean. That time he says that each and every organism be clean, everyone, overall body. That time in short, he is given its location, locomotion, not location, where it is occur. It is occurring soil, it is occurring sea water, it is occurring fresh water. That's why I say fresh water animal, sea water animal. He is saying I am not show my presence in dirty water. Dirty water damage forms. That's why if I leave, those water suddenly move. Fresh water, not kept at long duration at one place. Sir, it is over. That time he says that I also parasitic. What do you mean by parasitic? In Marathi say परजीवी और पर अंत म्हणतात दुसऱ्यावर अवलंबून. Why? It create one type of diseases. It is known as malaria. Plasmodium is the one type of protozoa animal, not protista animal. It create one type of diseases.